So I thought we would start in the basement. Down in the garage, they are storing a lot of the things that they had to take out, like the doors, which they'll be putting back wherever possible. And then in the basement here, we have one furnace there and one furnace that used to be there. We are combining the house into a single furnace so that it's more efficient, and down the road we may make 2 zones depending on what it's like after we move in. So you can see they ripped apart a lot of the ceiling to make way for the new ductwork that they'll be putting in, and some piping which they will be replacing. And that's where a lot of the old ductwork used to go. And you can actually see on the wall we have here is where the old stairs used to come down into the basement, which at this point we are not putting back. We may down the road. And there is the old flue where they used to throw the coal into the house to heat it, but we will no longer be using that. There's the empty spot. So that's what's left of the basement. And of course there's the crawl space, which is hard to see without much light. But it goes all the way to the back of the house. You can see some spots of light back there because they've opened up the floor underneath the house. And to show you a better example, here's the floor that goes up into the living room and then eventually up to the upstairs, because they've opened up the floor to make way for the stairs. And there's the old window that will be coming out to make way for a much larger window, hopefully, if we can get those permits finalized this week. And that is basically what is left of the basement. That's the light that looks out to the front porch, the front deck, which I'm hoping to reinforce so that the kids can play out there. Let's go upstairs.